Large oil storage tanks are the core equipment for fuel storage. The cleanliness of their interior walls directly affects storage quality and operational safety. However, the interior of an oil tank is a confined space with excessive concentrations of oil vapor. Manual cleaning not only carries the risk of explosion and poisoning, but also presents numerous pain points such as low efficiency, high labor intensity, and environmental pollution caused by wastewater flowing freely. To address this challenge, Digcher has introduced an explosion-proof wall-climbing robot cleaning solution. With no personnel entry required, the entire process is remotely controlled. The robot uses permanent magnetic wheeled adhesion for movement and can be equipped with high-pressure cleaning devices for flexible operation. Combined with a vacuum extraction system, it cleans and simultaneously recovers wastewater, leaving no environmental pollution. The equipment is fully outfitted with explosion-proof monitoring and lighting, achieving a cleaning efficiency of 60150 square meter per hour, safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Digcher possesses multiple models of wall-climbing robots and has provided professional construction services for oil tank farms in many regions, completely overcoming the difficulties of manual cleaning of oil storage tanks.